YouTube, what's going on today? As you can tell, we got some cars in the trailer. Went to an auction on Saturday. Ended up coming back with three cars, which I thought was probably the best three out of the whole unit. It's probably 120 cars or so. A lot of four doors, a lot of everything, not just Chevys, but there's Fords, you name it, it was there. But thought for the most part, I think I'll just do one trip, two here and then one on the rollback, just to make it justifiable, I guess, to pick up. But I love postcards. I really didn't want to leave without it. This was a neat car. I'm through and through a post guy. I love postcards, no matter what it is. Just a post guy. Do a little bit of walk around here. Like I said, we got a 65 Chevy two-door Biscayne post car, 68 Chevy Caprice two-door, and then we got a 68 wagon Bel Air that's hiding behind the 68 on the rollback. We'll get over there and take a look at it. It's pretty shot, but we got plans for it, some parts of it. So, but let's get looking around, see if you guys are enthused as I am. So the front clip on this is pretty good. Girl's got a little tweak in the middle there, but it is what it is. Fender's kind of whacked on this door, yeah. Quarter panel, yeah. But what do you do? You know, still a post car. No motor, no trans in this one. It was an automatic. I'm guessing a 6-cylinder, but I haven't pulled the hood up either to look. I don't want to spring the hood. Pretty rusty. But it's been sitting down. You can see the mark here. It's going to go off of, but I'm thinking the frame is pretty good on it for what it is up in this area. What else we got here? Look at the inside there. I know it needs some floor work. That's almost a definite of anything up in this area. Once you get west, things get a little bit cleaner. 68 Chevy Caprice. Like I said, two-door, 327. This one actually, surprisingly, nobody pulled the motor or trans out of this. Automatic, aftermarket air conditioning. So that's kind of cool. Also, the other cool part about it was actually we got finally a 68 with the actual lens and the light here. If you're a 68 guy, you know they had the blanks or these. So it's kind of a plus. I always look at the pluses sometimes. Most of the time. Especially buying this old shit. Pretty intact in the inside. We'll go around the other side. Because this door is locked. Not open. Rusted shut. All the above. Hoping the frame is good on this one. What I could feel that day of auction, it was probably the best 68 that they had there, frame-wise. Four doors, they were all shot. I mean, literally, there was no frame from about here where they box all the way to the front. I mean, there's nothing. They had a 70 Chevy there the same way, and it's kind of hard to see the scrap guys take them, but if there's nothing left of them, what do you do with them? I mean, you can only buy so many for the trinkets on my own self anyways. Then I have them sitting around. But, so the back bumper is pretty good. It's got a little tweak in here. But it's all there. The roll pan actually is in good shape on that. I was a little nervous because we had it on the trailer and I had a guy with a skid steer push it on. I was like, don't wreck that roll pan, buddy. So he did a pretty good job. Full set of Caprice hubcaps came with the car. That was kind of cool. That's what I like about opening the trunks up. You never know what you find in them. I mean, this is nothing cool, just 4 hubcaps and some tires and wheels, but I haven't got it open on that 65. I'll have to get this 68 off first to look. Pop the trunk on that. But, like I said, it's got some rot in it. Oh, I think I scared the cat. Yeah, there's that aftermarket AC unit. Kind of cool. Column. I haven't even got over there to look actually what's all going on, but hole in the floor here. Another set of hubcaps. I think these were off of 69 or 70. Somewhere in there. Somebody else probably knows exactly, but. So yeah, there's the 68 on the passenger side. Like I said, I don't know, I'm questionable on the frame, but what I could feel, I'm sure it's scaly. And here's the passenger side of the 65. Like I said, I'm so damn eager to get in that trunk. I know there's something in there, I just don't know what. Probably just a bunch of shit. You never know. I find my gold bars and retire. Here's the frame on the 65. Not bad. Up and around. It's questionable up in there. Guess the guy really doesn't know until you get it up and start hammering on it or start sandblasting it, then you'll really find out. But these damn postcars, I just absolutely love them. This side's actually fairly decent. A little hickey in the quarter panel there. Fender's actually pretty good. I'm sure there's some rot coming in down in there, but. Then we picked up a good trunk lid for a 6970 Chevy two-door. Been really looking for one of them. I got a 69 Chevy Caprice. Hideaway headlights. Pretty damn good car. And I don't know, somewhere along the line, somebody dropped something or hit the damn trunk and no trunk lid. I got a trunk lid, but it's beat to hell. It's not even fixable. So we got that trunk lid. That was a good score. So I feel at least half confident in our purchases from the other day that at least I came home with the trunk lid. This stuff just followed. Well, that'll happen. You get an auction, you can't keep your damn hands in your pocket, you know. It gets out of control pretty quick. And I actually was pretty tame. So we'll move over to the 68 Bel Air wagon, Chevy. All I gotta say is if you ain't got a rollback and you're doing this stuff, man, it makes quick work, because I literally started from the bottom of where you have to pound the brake drums off or do what you gotta do, get tires, get wheels, get this, get that, get the damn car on, and it ain't fun anymore. So yeah, we actually invested in a rollback, and it's been a lifesaver. I mean, the only downfall is aluminum deck. For this kind of stuff, it's not ideal. Not for me anyways, I hate tearing it up, but you know, you gotta use what you gotta use, so. But this car is basically destined for a parts car for ourselves. We got a pretty nice 68 Chevy wagon out back that's got really good floors, really good body on it, but a bad frame. So this is what this one's gonna be destined to. That's why I picked it out. We bought it. From about here all the way back on the other cars, there's nothing there. I mean, there's no rails. It's just rotted out. I'm hoping on this car what I could feel for the majority going that way, it was really good. I know coming up here around the bend, there is some rust in the inside, right in that area on the back side. But if that's all it is, I'm not really worried about it. I mean, that's repairable. But this one is pretty skinned out. No motor, no trans, floors were shot. I mean, there's nothing left of this car except a couple doors, maybe some fenders, rear bumper, interior parts, stuff like that. You know, if a guy's building one, it's nice to have one sitting here. I mean, you hate to do it, but you got to do it. You can't. You waste more money rebuilding this thing than what you could buy one for. And even if I won a lottery, I still wouldn't be rebuilding this thing because it's just not worth it. We'll hop up there, take a look at it quick. I hate to tell you guys something and you think I'm lying about the floors, but you'd be like, why are you rebuilding it? Well, I ain't rebuilding it. Yeah, this side I thought was really good coming around the bend, just on the back side down in there. That's questionable, but it's fixable, I think. I wish I would have had a hood. I always need hoods. But it's kind of hard to tell in there. We'll go around the other side because his door won't open. Give me a couple minutes too, because I got to walk pretty much the rail. I didn't want to come up straight the other day. See, there you can see. Oh, it's not even. She's toast. Unless you're ambitious and bored, I'd sell it to you. But I need the frame, so can't have that. Unless it's bad. Yeah, the whole damn works. It's like somebody robbed a deflector off it too. God damn it. We just gotta get the good stuff. I think the core sport's actually pretty good in it. Oh, not bad. I know that Caprice is shot, so if I did ever get to rebuild any of this stuff, well, maybe swap some parts around. We'll do one more walk around here. See, she's pretty hammered out. Door is whacked. Quarter panels. I don't want to look at the frame right now, but I don't want to get disappointed, but from what I could feel the other day, it was good. See, here's the other difference. These are just blanks. Just on these cheaper models. Last license in 77. And you can definitely tell that. So, yeah, overall good weekend. Good weather. Got our stuff home. Actually had a payloader on site, which really made a difference on loading these cars. Without that, it would have been a tough battle. But we would have made it. We always do. So yeah, we're gonna get the wheels unlocked, cut the brakes off, get them cleaned out, see what we got. You never know. Might surprise me. But for what we got in them, I'm not really worried about it. There's enough money in here in parts if we went that route. But I definitely not part the 65 post out. This is a beautiful car. Even as it sits, I could sit here and probably take a look at it all day. But yeah, we'll get them cleaned up. Take a look at them. Thanks for watching.